Hey y'all, welcome to Cheesesteak Cuisines. Today we're going to be making some Philly cheesesteak fries. So you're going to take a cast iron pan, make sure it's heated with oil. You're going to go ahead and drop your beef meat in there. Just tear it apart a little bit so it cooks evenly. You're going to go ahead and add your green bell peppers. I just sliced those. And also we're going to go ahead and add some sliced yellow onions. We're going to let that cook covered for about 5 minutes, stirring occasionally. Now, you're going to add 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter and mix that in as it's melting. For the seasonings, we add some garlic powder, we add some onion powder, and we're also going to add a slight amount of pink salt or just regular salt, a little bit of black pepper, and some chili powder, and a little bit more butter. I wanted to give it more flavor and as well as the juiciness makes it so good. You're going to mix all that in as it's cooking. Cover and let that cook for an additional 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, go ahead and stir it. Make sure it's not sticking at the bottom. Continue to stir occasionally until it's cooked through. Now go ahead and add your mozzarella cheese. Pepper on top for a little color. Add some chopped garnished parsley for more color. Cover, let that melt, and look at that. Now we're going to take your cooked fries. You can either fry them or put them in the oven. And we're going to lay our Philly cheesesteak right on top of our fries. Super simple. So easy, so fast, so flavorful.